Looking for a hassle-free way to earn money online? Look no further. In this exciting video, I'll be introducing you to a free app that allows you to make money by simply completing paid surveys. Say goodbye to tedious tasks and hello to quick and easy cash. Whether you're a student looking for extra pocket money or someone who wants to earn from the comfort of your own home, this app is perfect for you. Join the thousands of users who have already started earning with this incredible opportunity. Don't miss out on this chance to turn your spare time into real money. Watch the video now and start earning today. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe, and it would be great if you commented down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Imagine being able to monetize your valuable insights effortlessly. Whether you're at home, on the go, or simply enjoying some downtime, this app allows you to earn money by answering questions that are relevant to your interests and experiences. Make Cash app offers a simple and convenient way to make money by completing paid surveys. With our user-friendly interface, you can easily start earning cash by sharing your opinions on products and services that you use every day. Say goodbye to complicated signups and lengthy questionnaires. Make Cash app streamlines the survey process, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable experience for users like you. Simply log in with your social media account, take surveys, and earn in-app currency that can be exchanged for real cash or gift cards. Surveys are designed to be quick and easy, so you can make money on your own schedule. Whether you're at home, on the go, or waiting in line, you can earn cash with Make Cash. Plus, surveys are tailored to your interests, so you'll never have to waste your time on irrelevant topics. One of the best things about Make Cash is that you can cash out your earnings in a variety of ways. You can get paid via PayPal or choose from a wide selection of gift cards from popular retailers such as Amazon, Google Play, Xbox, and Apple. In summary, the app Make Cash offers a convenient way to earn money by completing paid surveys, while also giving you the flexibility to cash out your earnings in multiple ways. With easy-to-use interface and tailored surveys, you can start earning money on your own schedule. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to turn your opinions into cash. Join thousands of satisfied users who have already discovered the benefits of Make Cash app. Start earning money today with just a few taps on your smartphone. Download Make Cash app now and embark on a rewarding journey towards financial freedom. It's time to put your knowledge to work and get paid for sharing your thoughts. In the end, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.